Hey guys, this is week 3 web development. We're going to be going over internal links and additional features. The goal of all of these projects combined is to ultimately have a full-blown website with all your blog posts and your homepage and your about page and all of that. So we need to start practicing internal links and how to redirect yourself from one page to another part of your website. So we're going to practice that today. So I'm just going to show you guys where we left off. This is the blog that you guys should have had in week 1. We're going to be working with it now. And remember, if you still don't have this, you can put yourself down for office hours in your Slack's channel. Okay, so let's move on. So the first thing they want you to do in the project is to create an image that when clicked, it takes you to your favorite school webpage. So before that, I just want to mention that I already wrote all the code, so I'll just be explaining step by step what I did. First, you want to create a link tag. You want to put in your favorite website, and I put in YouTube because honestly, I believe that's my favorite school website because you can learn anything there. Then target means that you want to open it in a new tab and not in the same tab. And then you want to, before ending the link tag, you want to insert an image tag. And then ignore this part, we'll get to it in a second. But then we want to go ahead and put in the image that we want. So in this case, it was the YouTube logo, our parameters, and then we can close in the image tag along with the link tag. So then if we look at it over here, give me a second, you can see here, if we click on it, it takes us to YouTube. Okay. Now the second thing they want you to do is to create a link that redirects you to that image. So let's say you are scrolling and you make yourself, you find yourself in like a little post saying, oh, remember that my favorite school website, and you don't remember, but they provide you a link that redirects you back to that image and that school website. And then you click on it and then you go all the way back up. Just like the links that they use at the bottom that says back to the top and then you go all the way back up, that's exactly the same thing. So what we're going to do is go all the way to the bottom, and as you can see, I used all of these breaks, which stand for pretty much all the space right here in the middle. And then you can see right here the link, right? And then what you're going to do is you're going to put in a tag. So this is what's called a tag. So it's going to be called image. And then you're just going to write your the title of it, right? And then this is what it gives you. And then you're going to go back up to the image that you want to be directed to, and you're just going to put in the ID there right here in the image, and that when you click on it, it brings you right back to the image, right? So then that's how you do that. So then the next step is to create a home page. So I did post a video about how to open HTML files in Google Classroom. So you should look at that in order to do this. It's the same exact way we opened this page right here, the first blog post. So now what you want to do is create a link that redirects you to your blog's homepage. So we're going to go all the way to the top. As you can see, it's right here, homepage. So what I did, I created a link. I gave it the file name. I put in target so it opens a new tab and not the same. And then I gave it the title page. And now when you click it, it brings you to your homepage. Right? And then step 5, let's go back to step 5, is create a heading that says this is my homepage on your homepage. So obviously you guys can see this right here. How did we do this? Well, we opened it here too, and this is your heading right here. Simple as that. Then they want you to have a link on your homepage that redirects you back to your first blog post. So how do we do that? Well, same thing that we did on the other one. We opened a link tag, used the name of the file, target to open a new tab, and then the title of the page. So then when we click it, it takes us back to our home page, which is great. And then lastly, just to practice special characters, I put in to place a copyright mark at the end of your blog using the special characters. So let's go back to our first blog post. And as you can see, this is step 7. We used heading 3 so it could be small. So let me show you how it looks like on the browser. We go all the way to the bottom, and you can see right here the copyright symbol. This is the title, this is the symbol. We could definitely change it to something else like this, but I just decided to write copyright. All right, so that's pretty much it for this project. And if you guys have any more questions, remember, if you do your own research and asked your questions on the Slack and you still don't know, then put yourself down for office hours, as I mentioned in the beginning, Thursdays 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. EST. And yeah, thanks for watching.